Your Amazon product images are the reason that the shoppers click or keep scrolling. You can have the perfect product, the best keywords, and massive ad budget. But if your images do not stop the people mid-scroll and make them want to buy, then none of that matters. Images are most important on Amazon, and most sellers are doing them wrong. In 2026, you don't need to hire a photographer for a couple of $1,000s. I'm going to show you how I use AI tools like Claude and ChatGPT to generate images for my Amazon product listing. You can generate professional infographics, lifestyle images, feature callouts that look like they were made by a design agency. You are going to see the exact prompts I use and the results I get. So let's get into it. Why images matter more than anything else? So here is the reality. On Amazon, shoppers do not read your bullet points first. They do not read your title first. First, they look at the main image and then at secondary images. Studies from Amazon's own data show that over 70% of purchase decisions are influenced by images before a shopper even reads a single word. And on mobile, where over 60% of Amazon purchases happen, images can take up almost an entire screen. Your bullet points are buried somewhere. Your main image determines your click-through rate. It's the only thing shoppers see before they click on your product, besides your title and price. So if your main image doesn't grab attention, then nobody ever sees the rest of your listing. The secondary images determine your conversion rate. So this is where you communicate features, where you show the benefits, the dimensions, where you show some social proof, where you show the lifestyle images and your competitive advantages. A shopper who swipes through all of your secondary images and feels confident about the product is far more likely to buy. So you should use all the images that Amazon allows you to upload, and plus a video. So here is the image stack I use for the listing. So the first image is the main image. This should be a clean, professional image on white background, product only. Images 2 through 6 are infographics. They cover features, they cover dimensions, they cover materials, they cover lifestyle images and some competitor comparisons. And then add a video if possible. And I highly recommend adding a video, at least one. Okay, now let me show you how I create those images in AI. I will use the example of bamboo drawer organizer for this. And here's my 7 image framework. So image 1, this is the main image. It should be on a pure white background, product only, no text, no graphics, no props. This one, I still recommend that you get professionally photographed, like using a very clean product photo. And AI-generated main images can work, but Amazon guidelines require the product to be accurately represented. So a real photo is a little bit safer here. This is not to say that AI cannot generate main image photos that are professional on a white background. It can. Image 2 is like a hero feature. So this is your number 1 differentiator. For the bamboo organizer, it can be like it's expandable with, like fits any drawer. So one big bold claim, like with a visual showing the product expanding. This image should answer the question, why should I buy this instead of any other drawer organizer? Image 3 should show the dimensions and sizing. So shoppers need to know if the product fits in their space. So show clear dimensions with clear labels. Image 4 should show the features breakdown. So maybe show 3 to 5 key features with icons, like natural bamboo material, non-slip fit, easy assembly, water resistant coating. Image 5 should show the use cases, so drawer in multiple contexts, like for example in a kitchen, like as a kitchen drawer, as a bathroom drawer, in the office desk, in a makeup station. Image 6 should show us vs them comparison. So this is one of the highest converting image types on Amazon. So you should show your product side by side with like a generic competitor. So do not show like competitor brand, but just show like a generic drawer organizer. So you can show the features that your drawer is expandable and theirs is not, right? Your product is real bamboo and theirs is printed plastic. Your product has non-slip fit and theirs slide around. And image 7 should be a lifestyle image. So show the product in a beautiful real life setting, clean, organized kitchen drawers with bamboo organizer, neatly holding the utensils. So now that you have a plan, let me show you how I create images using Claude to write me prompts and then using ChatGPT to actually generate the image. Okay, so this is the bamboo expandable drawer organizer that I will put as an example here. So it looks like this. And first, what I do is I research my competitors. So I see how what images they put on their listings. So let me open like 3 competitors here. So this one, and this one. So here the main image on a white background, then they show the dimensions clearly. They show the main features that it's expandable and adjustable size, so it fits different drawers. They show some lifestyle images. It's made of bamboo, and they show a comparison. So as far as them. Another one. Main image, now this one shows the main image with like a packaging, like a label, and you can see that they show that it's expandable heel that fits perfectly and it's bamboo, and it's mainly they focus on the expansion feature. So here they show the dimensions and how it expands. Here they show before and after image. They say that it's not for drawers smaller than this size. They show how it's designed with some slip-resistant pads, reinforced base, and then some lifestyle images. And this one, clear first image, then the second one with the knives and utensils, then the dimensions. So you see like you see how they structure it, right? They usually show the main image on a white background first, then they show the dimensions and expandable feature, and then they show some before, after, or some comparison and some lifestyle images. So what I do is I copy the asins of those 3 competitors, and to do that, you just need to scroll down here, item details, and here is the asin. So I copy the asins of those 3 competitors. Then I also have this extension on my Chrome, which is called Go Full Page. And this captures the whole page and then saves it as a PDF. So it's very useful if you want to then upload this to Claude to write you a prompt. And then I just click here, download PDF. Okay, so when I have those 3 things ready, so the asins, the links to my competitor products, and also the screen captures in a PDFs, I go to Claude, and you know, here is what most people get it, how most people get it wrong. They open ChatGPT and then they just type bamboo drawer organizer infographic, and they get something that looks like from 2005, or that it's totally not their product and totally not what they want. The problem with AI is the prompt, okay? AI image generators are only as good as the instructions that you give them. This is why I use Claude first. Claude is exceptional at understanding what I need and generating detailed prompts that I then feed into ChatGPT. So like Claude is my creative director and ChatGPT is my designer. Okay, so here is the prompt that I give Claude. I sell a bamboo expandable drawer organizer on Amazon. These are my main competitors, and here I give the asins of those competitors together with the links to them. I also upload the screenshots of the listings that I took before, the PDFs. So the first image should be the main image on a white background, then the second image should be a hero feature showing the expandable width mechanism, then dimensions and sizing, then features, then free use cases, and as far as them comparison, and the lifestyle image. Okay, so Claude generated me prompts for those 7 images, and they are very detailed, like, for example, shot from a 30-degree elevated angle, the organizer is in an expanded position, and the bamboo has a warm honey golden tone with visible natural wood grain. So these prompts are very, very detailed. Okay, now let me switch over to ChatGPT and copy these prompts, each one in a separate chat. Okay, this is very important. So each prompt should be generated in a separate chat, and then you can work on it in this chat. And I click the latest model and thinking extended. So I copy this prompt, and I also add an image here of a bamboo drawer organizer of my competitor, so that chat knows how this organizer actually looks like. And now I wait for chat to generate me the image. Okay, so I got the first main image, and look at the quality of this. Like, it shows the drawer and the wood, and the quality of this is very, very high. So it's very high resolution. For the main image, it's very, very good. If you want to refine it, then you can just tell chat what to change in your main image. Maybe you want to show on the main image the label or your brand name or something else here. So if you want, then just say to chat what you want to show. Okay, let's generate a second image in a new chat. So this is a hero feature image, expandable width mechanism. Okay, so it generated me an image. So it has the bamboo organizers, and it shows the expandable feature, the expandable arrows. There is a clean text here, fits most standard kitchen drawers. It should be larger, so I will tell chat to make it larger. It has a light neutral background, so it looks something like a professional designer would create. So I would just tell chat to make the text bigger. Okay, so this is much better. The text is much bigger. You can refine it. You can do something else with it if you want, and tell chat to change it a little. But for as the beginning image, it's a very, very good image. Okay, so let's move on to the next image. Let's open a new chat. 3 shows the dimensions and sizing. Okay, so this image looks also very, very good. It's very clean, and the only thing that I don't like is like this arrow is positioned like this way, and should be alongside the drawer. So I would tell chat to make this dimension, this top dimension, put alongside the drawer. Top dimension should be placed alongside the drawer. It's at an angle, so we will see if it can correct it. Okay, so now actually ChatGPT corrected what I wanted. So this size here is alongside the drawer. Maybe it should be a little bit bigger. So you can fine-tune the image and tell chat what to change. Okay, so the next image now. So this image will be like a clean product feature infographic, and we will use some call-out boxes, that it's expandable, that it has 100% bamboo, non-slip base, and easy to clean. Let's see how chat will handle it. Okay, so this is like a preview. Chat is still working on it. But so here if we have the image, maybe the text should be a little bit bigger. It's too little. The font is too small. So I would tell Chat to make the font bigger. But the labels are really nice. They show all the features or the main features. Just make the text bigger. Okay, so you can refine this image, and let's move on to the next one. Okay, so we have the image. It shows that we can use it in the kitchen, in the bathroom, and in the office. Here, the bathroom is a little bit, and this goes out of the first of the compartment, so we need to change that. Also, I would like the bathroom to be also like in the drawer, and office the same, also in the drawer. And this image should be a square image that I can put in a secondary image on Amazon, not long like this one. So I will tell Chat to just make a square image. Okay, so it corrected an image. Still, there are some details that need to be corrected like this one, but I didn't tell Chat about this because I wanted to first make it a square image and then show it in the drawer. So it did that. So I just need now to tell him to correct this thing here. Let's move on to the next image. So it's as far as them comparison. So here you need to put your brand name. Let's say it's Great Drawers. I just thought about this, but you need to put here your real brand name. Okay, so this is like a comparison table for your drawer. It's pretty good for the beginning. Maybe it should show here your brand under the Great Drawers name, and generic plastic should be under this plastic. So this line should be moved a little to the right. So you can refine it, but for the beginner image, it's very, very good. Maybe make a text a little bit bigger. So let's create the last image, lifestyle. So it generated me one more lifestyle image. If you want, you can refine it further. Okay, so we have generated 7 images using Claude to write the prompts and ChatGPT to generate the actual images. Each of them needs some small refinements, but as a starter images, they are actually very good. So one more bonus tip here: once your listing is live and you have brand registry, you can actually do an experiment, an A/B test on your main image and on your secondary images. So create 2 versions of your main image and let Amazon split them against each other. Like even a small improvement in click-through rate can compound into thousands of dollars in additional revenue. So it's worth trying. For a deeper dive on how I analyze competitor listings, check out my video on YouTube on Amazon competitor listings analysis. And there's a link in the description. So this is the complete process that I use: Claude for detailed image prompts, ChatGPT to generate the actual images. You can also use Canva to polish some of the images if you want. So there are 7 images, each with a clear purpose, created in about an hour and actually 0 cost. Your listing images are the highest leverage asset in your Amazon business. So a 1% improvement in conversion rate on a listing doing 300 visits per day can translate into 3 additional sales per day. So it's $90 per month at like 0 additional cost. So that's the power of images that actually sell. If you are a beginner and you want a step-by-step roadmap on how to sell on Amazon, from finding your first product to sourcing it on Alibaba, shipping it to Amazon, and then creating a listing and launching it, then I have built a course called Stay at Home Success Plan, and I will put a link in the description. It includes all the templates, the checklists, and all the walkthroughs of every stage on how to sell on Amazon and create a profitable Amazon FBA business. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more Amazon related videos and also AI related videos. And tell me in the comments, are you currently using AI to generate the images for your Amazon listings? If yes, tell me what else I can help you with. Have a great day. Bye.